What's up, guys? So you might have heard about the Twitch VOD track that got added to OBS in version 26. If you haven't, it's a separate audio channel inside of OBS that is dedicated solely to clips and VODs on Twitch. Anything sent to that channel will be included in your VOD and clips. On the flip side, anything that you don't include will be heard on stream, but not in VOD. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Twitch VOD track if you're using a Goxlr. If you're not using one, the idea of separate channels still applies, just ignore the part where I talk about what goes on inside the Goxlr software. If you've already configured OBS to work with the Goxlr, you'll have the broadcast stream mix set up in your mic/auxiliary audio. And of course, the Goxlr comes with several different channels to split up your audio. To remove audio channels from your Twitch VODs, you're going to go into your routing settings, and any channels you want to take out, just uncheck from stream mix. For example, your music maybe. If you have your alerts on your system, uncheck that. Next, you're going to go into your output settings, make sure that it's set to advanced, and you should see a Twitch VOD track. If you don't, make sure you have at least version 26 of OBS Studio. Disclaimer, I probably should have put it at the start, Streamlabs OBS does not have this technology yet. Now, I can't adjust this because I'm currently recording, but you can check to enable the VOD track and then pick any channel for it to be on. For me, my main audio track is channel 1, and I'm putting my VOD track on channel 2. Which number you pick does not matter, but you need to remember it for later. Once you have VOD track enabled and a channel picked, simply close out and go into your sources. What you're going to do is you're going to add an audio output capture for any channel that you excluded in your routing table on your Goxlr. For example, we excluded music, so we'll add a music channel. So now you'll notice if we were to play Stream Beats by Harris Heller, it is not coming through on the broadcast channel, but it's coming through on the music channel. If you're seeing it move in both channels like this, double check your routing table, make sure that it's unchecked from the broadcast stream mix. Also, make sure that whatever software you're using for music is set to go through your music channel. Now we'll do the same for our alerts. If you don't have a Goxlr and you still want to use this feature, make sure that you have your music and your game audio on separate channels. Then just add a separate audio output capture and set your device to whatever channel your music is coming in on. Now to actually exclude the audio from the Twitch VOD track, all you have to do is go to the gear in the audio mixer, go to advanced audio properties, and then remember which channel you have your Twitch VOD track set to. For me, my main audio is track 1, my Twitch VOD track is audio 2. So whichever audio sources you don't want in your VOD, just uncheck the Twitch VOD track for those sources. So now anyone seeing the stream live will be able to hear the music and the alert sounds, but anyone watching the VOD or a clip will not be able to hear them. Again, if you don't have a Goxlr, just uncheck the Twitch VOD track for whichever audio source you're using for your music. One thing to note is once you take a channel out of the stream mix, its volume cannot be adjusted by the Goxlr anymore. If you want to adjust the volume for the stream, you have to adjust it inside of OBS. For example, while we have more stream beats playing, if we go to the mixer and adjust the music volume, you can see the Goxlr music channel does not move in volume. See, it should be not playing at all now. And now it should be blowing out eardrums. Instead, it's only being adjusted inside my own ears. Now, if you adjust it inside OBS, you can hear it becoming louder and quieter. This can be helpful because the streamer doesn't really need to hear the music as well as chat does. So you can have it as a lower volume in ear, so it's just faintly in the background for you, but your chat can still hear it and enjoy it. Now you might be asking, what's the point of all this? For one, it makes it easier for streamers who download their VODs and edit them into YouTube videos. Because now you're not worried about whatever music is playing on stream, you can add in whatever music you want for your YouTube video. Which also leads into point number 2. Obviously, Dmca is a hot issue inside the Twitch community right now. There's takedowns being issued for music played on stream and subsequently in VODs and clips, even from years ago. Now, as of right now, Twitch is not doing takedowns for live content. You can only get a copyright strike for music and other audio that is played in a VOD or a clip. I am not suggesting that if you wanted to play music that would get you a copyright strike, that you could use this method to only play it live and not have it included in VOD or clips. Twitch is only currently issuing copyright strikes for music found in VODs and clips. But again, I am not suggesting that. Do with this information as you will. Anyway, guys, hope this tutorial helped. If you want to see me live, I stream Tuesday and Thursday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern and Saturday mornings at 8 a.m. If you want to watch my edited content, feel free to subscribe here or find me on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram at Birbski.